Hey YouTube, how we doing? Well, today we're going to take a look at part 2 of the Reality Star knife series. And yes, as promised, there's the folder by Bear Grylls. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into this guy. Okay guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the Bear Grylls folding sheath knife. Now, if you missed my first video, I'm going to leave a little card to it up there. That way you can check out the who's, the what's, and the where's. But what I'm doing is, with the explosion of reality survival TV shows and people getting themselves merchandise deals, we're taking a look at 4 blades total, a fixed and a folder. The first set by Bear Grylls. The next set is by Les Stroud, or as he's more commonly known, the Survivor Man. We're going to see who produces a little bit better stuff. Well, looks, feel, all that wonderful stuff. Now, there it is. It's huge for a folder. Pretty friggin' huge. Now, if I remember this correctly, hold on. They essentially wanted to create that in a folding blade. Alright. But let's start getting into the fun on this one. And yes, I know guys, it's a Bear Grylls line, you're gonna see his name, and you got the orange and you got, the BG, which everyone seems to hate, but hey, it's survival. If you drop this, you want to be able to find it. Now, it's got an overall length of 8.5 inches. Closed, it's 4.9. And the blade is 3.6 inches long, but it's also partially serrated. Which in one way I get, because if you got to hack through stuff, okay. But I've always felt that when you have serrations, especially like this, it reduces the overall effectiveness of the cutting surface. Now, Gerber's kind of addressed that, and I'm going to try to leave a video link right up here to the shark belly. I like what they've done recently with their new serrations. It's easy to sharpen and you can do it right on a stone. You don't need a special tool like you do with these guys to get them sharp. Now, it's got a lightweight to it of 4.3 ounces, which is kind of nice considering the other ones in this line that I've looked at so far are a little bit heavier. Now, the blade steel, they just say, is high carbon stainless. That's all I could find on it. High carbon stainless. Okay. Now, it does have a lock back, which I like, because I've heard overall that these are one of the most safest locking mechanisms out there. And if you're in a survival situation, you kind of want safety. You just really, really do. I do like how this fits in your hand with its ergonomic, texturized, rubberized grip. It feels really good. I can't really call this jimping, but these little indentations up here, they just hold on to your thumb. Not to mention, it feels so nice sitting in your hand, just like that. It's got a little lanyard hole here on the back, and these things always make me laugh. The sheath is military grade nylon, ballistic nylon, mildew resistant. Yeah, military grade, great. So if you've ever been in the military, it's cheap. So stuff in the military is made by the lowest bidder. But I did like this. You can either wear the Sheath Scout or straight up or down. I really did like that. Now, as we usually do, we took a look at the cost and its ratings. Over on Gerber, it's going to run you $33, so it's not that bad. Over on Amazon, it's $22.39. It's got a 4 out of 5 star rating over on Gerber's website, and it's got a 4.6 out of 5 over on Amazon. So there it is. As promised, here is the folding blade from a Bear Grylls line. The next one in these series are going to be from Les Stroud. But hey, if you are a first-time viewer here to the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day and watching one of my videos. It makes me incredibly happy that you chose me over some other options that you have out there. Now, you're going to be seeing a symbol popping up right over here. Okay? Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you have hit that subscribe and just smash the heck out of that, please go ahead and nail that bell icon. That way you're going to be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them going to pop up over here. Those videos are going to be from my catalog of videos that YouTube thinks is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But here we go, guys. The Bear Grylls folding sheath knife, part 2 of 4 in the reality survival star blades. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one.